Check out what these high school students are creating. They're learning how to renew old surfaces in their school. Visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. Stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Our epoxy rocks, Stone Coat Countertops.
Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again.
We're here in Random Lake Storage Unit, and the school is going to throw away these old beat-up doors, and we're going to take these beat-up doors, we're going to make them look much nicer, and we're going to make new benches in our school locker room.
We'll remodel these doors and make them look nice as benches using Stone Coat Epoxy.
Also, redoing a Formica counter in which we will use Bondo to fill in cracks and nail holes. We will be using black and blue melded marble kit to cover the countertop.
We love the fact that these students are renewing their old surfaces and bringing old doors back to life. They've watched our videos, they've paid attention, and now they're applying what they've learned. You can repair blemishes in existing surfaces using all-purpose Bondo putty. Next, they're going to sand that putty and router a fresh, clean edge in the surface.
After applying TSP, Windex, and sanding the countertop, we will use Stone Coat bonding primer to cover the counter. We then gave the old countertop and old doors 2 coats of black latex primer.
These students did an amazing job following instructions. They watched our videos, they applied what they learned, and look at what they're making. They worked together, moving the color in and out with a sponge, tilting the project, letting gravity work for them, and their results were outstanding. Our hats are off to these kids. Great work. Keep crushing it. You got this. Before applying the second coat, the clear coat, simply sand with 220 grit, wipe the dust, and you're ready to apply our second coat, which is the same product, just applied clear with no additives. Spread the epoxy with a 1/8 inch square notch trowel, chop the surface and brush the edges with a chop brush, torch the bubbles out, and look at their project when it was complete. Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy can renew just about any surface. Our epoxy is eco-friendly. It's user-friendly. Do-it-yourselfers and weekend warriors love the outcome of their project, even on their very first attempts. Visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. You got this.
Our epoxy rocks, Stone Coat Countertops.
Hey, visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. Call anytime for free project support. And until next time, from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll see you soon.